Welcome back to the channel for another video on our 22 WRX. Today we're going to be swapping out our Airflow Dynamics S-Style lip for their S-Style V2. Now the S-Style lip looks really good. It does have that jog in the middle. The V2 is flat all the way across, so it does give that perception the car is just a little bit lower and it's a little bit more aggressive, so I think it's going to look really good on this car. So enough talking, let's get the car jacked up. We'll get this S-Style lip taken off and we'll get the V2 put on. Let's go. All right, now that we have both the lips off, you can see the difference between the S and the V2. So you can see the S has that little jog in it. You see I got a little boo-boo here, got that fixed though. And the V2 is just flat all the way across, so a little bit more aggressive. So we're just gonna get this put on the same way that we took this one off. So let's get to that, let's go. There we have it. The S-Style V2 lip is installed. Dang, it looks so good. A little bit more aggressive than just the S-Style. Looks really good with the front mount right there. Quick and easy swap over from basically the V1 to the V2. Looks really, really good. So that's all I got for you guys on this one. Just a quick little comparison of the S-Style lip and the V2 lip. And then obviously we got the V2 installed. The V2 is definitely a little bit more aggressive, and I definitely think it complements how this car is looking. It's lowered, got the wheels on it, got the front mount. Looks really good with this V2 lip. Now I've been kind of teasing in the background, it's right behind me. We have a big project coming up on this channel. At this power level, I'm really not sure how long this transmission is going to last, especially with the stock clutch. This is basically the same transmission from the 2015 Plus WRX. So when I had the 2015 Plus WRX and I had the ETS kit on it, I actually shaved third gear coming home from the dyno from IAG when JR was tuning over there. I shaved third gear coming home on that trans. And there's really no way to upgrade and really make this split case design as strong as like an STI transmission. So I'm sure that gave away what we're going to be doing. Enough talking. Let me show you guys our next big project on this channel. We're going to be tackling the next few weeks. Over here we have our full STI 6-speed swap. We do have a Cartboy shifter on there. I just put my stock shift knob on there just so it kind of looks a little bit better. Do have our drive shaft, front and rear axles, R180 diff, obviously our starter. We're not going to be using this clutch, but that is an ACT. It is pretty beat up, so we are going to be getting a new clutch for this. Haven't picked out a clutch yet. I am looking for an ACT to put in this. So obviously we have a bunch of torque in this car already. With this twin scroll, we're a little bit over 400 horsepower and torque with our virtual dyno numbers. I'll put that up over here. We're definitely going to need a clutch to handle this power that we currently have and for future mods. And this STI 6-speed is definitely going to do the trick. I do have a couple parts taken off, and I do have them being painted over here. So we'll get those mounted back onto the transmission. But we will be using the quick jacks to do this install. Still have a couple parts coming to finish out this swap. I wanted to get a lot of new hardware, so got a lot of stuff coming for this in the next few weeks. And once all those parts come in, we are going to tackle this job in this garage, and then we are going to drive it out with this new transmission and differential in the car. So be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more 2022 WRX content. We have more to come. Till next time, see ya.